welcome back to my channel, Being Free PH, where we talk about investments and we show you different investment avenues or different how-tos on how to invest. So for my previous video, we talked about UITF, right? On what is UITF and where to look for information. So for today, I'll show you on how to open an account with the UITF, right? So let's go ahead and check the screen. So for UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund, you can just go ahead and go to uitf.com.ph, and from there you would actually see here, let's go to the top 5 best performing funds, and we'll select here, let's say equity first. Let's have a time horizon of around 10 years, right? So we'll see. So let's see who has a good performance last year. So let's say January 7, 2019 up to December 27. All right. So for UITF equity funds, we have Atrium Trust Corporation as having a 35%, and we have the Manulife Dragon Growth Equity Feeder, and we have another Atrium Global Dividend Feeder, and we have the BPI Catholic Values Global Equity Feeder, and the Manulife Best Select Equity Fund. So technically, we're playing with just 3 companies or 3 institutions here, right? So we have the Atrium, we have the Manulife, and then the VPI. So let's go ahead and take a look at Atrium Global Technology. Right, so here, if you take a look, in order for you to invest here, you need to have a minimal initial participation of 1,000, and for you to invest or top up, you just need to have 1,000, and the maintaining balance is 1,000 as well. So how do you open Atrium Global Technology? So let's go ahead and take a look, right? Let's go ahead and search. Nowadays, that's just the only thing that you need to do is search, right? So let's see, is the company, right? So atrium.com.ph. Now, if I'm not mistaken, Atrium is tied up with another company, right? They're the one who gets the investment for you. So here, let's say you're investing for yourself, you need to learn more. Fund investing, right? Alright, so fund investor, we look at this, what was the global technology? So consumer dividend, it's not here. Let's have technology there. Alright, so here you'd see here the increase for 1 year, it's 24%, and since it started, it's already up by 49%. Right, so it's managed by Fidelity International, right? And how do you invest here? So it's just pretty basic, right? So it goes to seed box, right? So just like what I mentioned a while ago. So for you to be able to invest with Atrium, you need to have a Seedbox Philippines account, right? So if you have one, you just need to log in. If you don't, you just need to sign up. So once you sign up, you fill this up, and then you'll have the option, or you have opportunity now to invest. So let me go ahead and try to open up. Alright, so give me a second. Stream. Password. So let's see if that works. And then you need the code. Accept. And then let's see. I think we're complete. Then you sign up. Ooh, okay. Let's check. And we'll need an activation code. So I'll check my email. And you'll see here an activation code. And then now paste the activate. And of course, you need to fill up the information like KYC or know your customer. FATCA. FATCA is more on, if I'm not mistaken, this is for foreign investors or if you're a foreigner investing. And risk profile. So just click on OK. And you would be having a lot of information that you need to fill up here. So there you go, right? The good thing here with Seedbox is there's a lot of opportunity for you to invest with other funds. So which is good. Right. Let's log out or let's log out. Right. So you can check up Seedbox in order for you to check on what are the different investment opportunity that you have. All right. So that's for Atrium. For BPI, right? So BPI, it's just simple, right? So you want to invest, and from there you select manage funds, and it would give you different options, right? You're an individual investor, and it has 2 steps to apply. So you need to download this file, right? And then submit it to any BPI branch, right? And once you're able to submit your application form, then somebody from BPI would be actually calling you. But if I'm not mistaken, what I did before was go to online investing, right, or on their app. So I think you can do that as well. Just go here, and there's a step-by-step procedure as well, right? And from there, you'll be able to actually open a BPI account. And the third one would be for Manulife. So let's see, Manulife. For Manulife, you just go to their website, just search for it on Google, and here, right, you'll have products on UITFs. So I just click that, and there would be information here on the different funds that they have, right? So let's just wait for the Tahu vendor to pass by. Alright, so from here, how to open an account. So you just fill this up, right? So let's open it in a new tab. And just somebody, or you can contact any Manulife Wealth Specialist at this number, right? And you choose the fund that you want to invest in. So these are the different funds, right? So we have this for individuals. And you could have a Security Bank auto debit, which is nice, or with BDO as well. Right? And this is the form that you just need to download and fill it up. And this is the file that you would be sending to the Manulife Wealth Specialist. Alright, so I think that's that for UITFs, right, on how to open an account. As tip, right, there are two strategy that you can actually think about here. You can select the top performer, which is the Atrium for now, or you can check the bottom performers and hoping that they have better results. So it's still up to you, right? But majority would say just go with the winners, right? And because they technically know what they're doing in some way or the other. But every now and then it's nice to check your fund on how they're doing, right? It's pretty simple anyways. Just open it up and just follow this graph, right? Let's see. Let's say for now. Oops. Right, so it would give you the history. So from the start of the ECQ, it just went up, and it went higher than the start of the year. So meaning you already earned a certain ROI for this fund, right? So that's actually how I check UITF. If it's going down here, probably I have sold it already, right? Because it's the same as stocks, but the only difference is there's a cut-off time for this one, right? So I can sell it, like, so for example, December 2024, I might have, maybe 26, I have sold it already because it's going down for several days already, right? And then waited for it to go up, and here maybe I'm thinking if it's going up, then good thing I did not invest. Then suddenly just goes down, and if I'm the one investing here, probably I'll be investing in this area because I've been showing already that there's growth, or it's coming back, right? So that's what I'll be doing, and maybe wait here, and then good thing it just went up. So that's what I'll do, right? So it's nice to know what's going on with your investment. Again, even though somebody else is managing your investment, it's still your money. So it's still a good thing to know on how to interpret this, or at least talk to your fund managers or to their customer service if they have one, and just talk about what do you think it's going to happen, and what's their advice to you, right? The good thing that from my experience, Security Bank is the one that actually usually talks to me about not investing or investing because this is a good price already. So I'm not sure with the others. With BPI, it's just I receive reports, right? Emails about their funds, um, but not really the interaction that I have with Security Bank. But again, it might just because I have a personal relationship with the bank. So probably that's why they're talking to me about the different investment opportunity, right? So with that, again, thank you for tuning in or listening to me and checking out the different investment opportunity. So again, this is Murfix of Being Free PH and happy investing.